today's class is EVS. So open your copy, everyone. Open your EVS copy. Write down today's date. Give heading revision. So you have to write question as well as answer. In last 10 minutes, I will ask this answer. आपको ये क्वेश्चन लिखना है और ये आंसर्स भी लिखने हैं अपनी कॉपी में, और मैं ये आंसर्स अभी लास्ट 10 मिनट्स में क्लास के एंड में पूछूंगी. आई विल आस्क रैंडमली टू एनीवन. So start your video, write down questions and start writing answers. I have mentioned answer also here. Answers भी यहाँ लिखे हुए हैं, तो आपको अपनी कॉपी में answers भी लिखने हैं. मैं answers पूछूंगी अभी आपसे. सब मुझे लिखते हुए दिखने चाहिए. Gatha, where is your copy? Open your copy and start writing. And सब बोल बोल के लिखेंगे. वैभव, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 पढ़ो और उसका आंसर भी पढ़ो.
Yes, ma'am. How do we? मैम मैं क्या लिखा है? How do we के बाद? Purify water of drinking in our homes.
Yes, correct. This is question. How do we purify water for drinking in our home? Now, Vaibhav, read the answer. क्या आंसर लिखा है?
Clean,
filtered
water should be boiled for over 20 minutes to kill
microbes
and then filter to
क्या बताया था अभी मैंने?
purifier it.
Very good, Vaibhav. Purify it. Very good. So how do we purify water for drinking in our home? We clean filtered water should be boiled. Filtered water को क्या करना चाहिए? We should boil over 20 minutes to kill microbes. We should boil clean filtered water for 20 minutes to kill microbes and then filtered. उसके बाद फिर filter करना है to purify it. Water should be boiled. Samiksha, write down in copy fast. Water should be boiled for over 20 minutes to kill microbes and then filter to purify it. हाँ दक्षिता.
मैम क्वेश्चन भी लिखना है?
हाँ बेटा, क्वेश्चन भी लिखना है और आंसर भी लिखना है.
ओके मैम. मैम इतने?
हाँ, आप पहले लिखना स्टार्ट करो. यस वैभव.
मैम इसको पीडीएफ बना के भेजना है क्या?
नहीं भेजना है.
यस.
यस काव्या.
Ma'am, we have to write question. Oh, yes, ma'am. Nothing.
Question number 1 done. How do we purify water for drinking in our home? हम क्या करते हैं? We should boil water for 20 minutes and then filter Why should we boil? We should boil to kill microbes and then filter to purify it. After boiling, we should filter to purify it. This is the process that we do in This is the process that we use to purify water in our home. Okay. Next question. Uh, okay. Vaibhav, 1. Read next question.
मैम मैं 1 वाला क्वेश्चन लिख रहा हूँ आंसर
आंसर अभी तक लिख ही रहे हो?
यस मैम सर
बेटा बोल बोल के लिखना है आपको. धानवी,
यस मैम
read question number 2 as well as answer.
how do rivers get polluted?
How do rivers get polluted? This is question number 2. Now read answer.
When people wash clothes or bed
Bath.
their kettle on the bank of a river.
हाँ.
2. When people throw garbage, flowers, meat, animals, etc. into the rivers and seas.
Okay. So question number 2 is how do rivers get polluted? Rivers कैसे गंदे होते हैं? So 2 reasons we are given here. So first one is when people wash clothes or bath their kettle on the bank of a river. अगर river में when people wash their clothes and when they wash their kettles, when they take their kettles to bath there, so this activity will pollute the river. Second reason is when people throw garbage, flowers, dead animals into the rivers and sea. This will also pollute the river. Okay, so we have mentioned 2 points. So you have to write answer according to the marks. अगर 1 mark का है तो you will write 1 reason. अगर 2 marks का है तो you will write 2 reason. Okay. I think question number 1 everyone done. Gatha, open your copy and start writing. Where is your copy, Gatha? Your annual exams are coming और आप ऐसे ही बैठे हो. Yes, Samiksha.
मैम मुझे फर्स्ट का आंसर दिखाओ ना
You are still in question number 1.
मैम फर्स्ट का सिर्फ आंसर देखना है C
अपनी स्पीड बढ़ाओ समीक्षा. Done everyone? Question number 2. Nischay, I will definitely scroll down, but सबकी speed के according we have to move. Next question. Who will read? Who will read next question? Very good. So many hand raised. Yes, Ronak. Question number 3. आवाज नहीं आ रही है रौनक आपकी? Start your video, Ronak. Now read question number 3. Your audio is connected or not? Read, Ronak. आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी रौनक बिल्कुल. Okay, Kavya, read question number 3.
Yes, ma'am. What causes flood in rivers? Sometimes, due to heavy rainfall, the rivers overflow and the adjoining lands area gets submerged in water. This causes flood.
Okay, very good. So question number 3 is what causes flood in river? What causes flood in river? Rivers में flood क्यों आती है? What causes? What is the reason? What causes? So answer is sometimes due to heavy rainfall, the rivers overflow and the adjoining land area. Due to heavy rainfall, जब ज़्यादा बारिश होती है तो river, what happens? The river overflow and the adjoining rivers के आसपास की जो ज़मीन है, जो land है, that gets submerged in water, वो पानी में डूब जाता है, and the adjoining land areas get submerged in water. This causes flood. This causes flood. What causes flood? Heavy rainfall. Due to heavy rainfall, the river overflow and this causes flood. Okay? Everyone have to write question as well as answer in their copy. And in last 10 minutes, I will ask answers of all these questions. Those who have raised hand to read the question and answer, please lower down your hand. I will ask one by one to read. Those who have raised your hand to read the question and answer, please lower down your hand. I will ask one by one to read. Yes, Zanvi, what happened? Any doubt? Any doubt, Zanvi? No doubt. Yes, Dakshita?
आंसर रीड करने के लिए उठाई थी.
बोला बेटा मैंने कि अपना हाथ लोअर डाउन योर हैंड. हाँ समीक्षा,
Ma'am, nothing.
why you raise your hand? Done everyone till question number 3?
मैम है क्या? एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रहा है।
आवाज नहीं आ रही? Manvi, please check network. Next question, question number 4. Question number 4. Yes, Bhavya, read question number 4.
Okay, ma'am. How is salt obtained from seawater? Seawater is collected in small pools and made to evaporate. Water evaporates, leaving behind salt.
So question is, how is salt obtained from sea water? Sea water से salt कैसे मिलता है? So sea water is collected in small pools. Small pools are made. There sea water is collected and they are left there. That sea water is left there and made to evaporate. पानी को evaporation के लिए वहीं पे उस pools में छोड़ दिया जाता है and made to evaporate. Water evaporates. Water जब पूरी तरह से evaporate हो जाता है, leaving behind salt. Water जब पूरी तरह से evaporate हो गया तो जो बच जाता है that is salt. Sea water is collected in small pools and made to evaporate. Sea water is made to evaporate. Water evaporates, leaving behind salt. Done. Question number 4. Rakshita, हो गया question number 4?
No, ma'am.
Write down. भव्या, कितने questions लिख लिए?
Ma'am, I am in answer of 5th question.
Now Nishchay, raise your hand. Nishchay, raise your hand. हाँ. Read question number 5 and answer.
Why do rain-fed rivers have less water in summer? Rain-fed rivers get water from the rains that dry up during the summer due to lack of rain and evaporation of water from their surface.
Okay, correct. So question is, why do rain-fed rivers have less water in summer? Rain-fed rivers में पानी कम क्यों होता है summer season में? So as from the name it is clear, rain-fed river, the rivers are fed by rain. So summers में जब बारिश नहीं होगी तो obviously उनमें पानी rain-fed rivers में पानी कम हो जाएगा. Rain-fed rivers get water from the rain. They dry up during the summer season due to lack of rain. This is very easy. They dry up during the summer due to lack of rain. Summer में बारिश नहीं होती है, rain नहीं होता है, so they will definitely rain-fed river they will dry up during the summer due to lack of rain and evaporation of water from their surface. और अगर river है, rain-fed rivers हैं, तो उनमें summer season में क्या होता है? The light of sun, the intensity of sun is very high. So evaporation is very fast. So the water from the surface of river, it will evaporate. That's why the rain-fed rivers have less water in summer season. Okay, correct? Yes, Molly.
मैम मुझे क्वेश्चन बोलना था।
ठीक है, अभी सिर्फ इतने ही क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं. The remaining are true and false. अभी ये सबके हो गए क्वेश्चन आंसर्स? Everyone done question answers? Only Bhagra has done. What about others? Molly also done. Vaibhav also done. Kavya done. Samiksha लिख लिए? Show thumbs up. Okay. Shaurya? Ronak? Only 10 minutes left. So should I ask question answers now? हो गया सबका? Yes, Samiksha.
Ma'am, please show true and false.
True and false. Wait. Here are true and false. Just write down the answer. ठीक है, इसका सिर्फ true false का सिर्फ answers लिख दो. Question number 1. Ocean water can be used for drinking purpose. True or false? क्या ocean का पानी, ocean water is used for drinking purpose? Can we use ocean water for drinking purpose? True or false? Write down only answer. Question number 2 next. Cities like Abu Dhabi and Dubai desalinate seawater to make it fit for drinking. क्या cities like Abu Dhabi and Dubai they desalinate seawater to make it fit for drinking? True or false? Desalinate means उसमें से पानी में से salt remove करना. So cities like Abu Dhabi and Dubai do they desalinate seawater to make it fit for drinking? True or false? Next question. Water of the river Ganga is salty. River का पानी salty होता है क्या? Water of the river Ganga is salty. True or false? Next is microbes can only be seen through a microscope. Answer is given in the question only. Microbes, microscope. So microbes can only be seen through a microscope. क्या आप अपनी आंखों से देख सकते हो microbes को? Question is microbes can only be seen through a microscope. Microbes को सिर्फ microscope से देखा जा सकता है. True or false? Next is cold air. It's not hair, it's air. Cold air. Cold air can hold more water vapor than hot air. Cold air can hold more water vapor than hot air. True or false? Yes, Samiksha.
Ma'am, what is the second answer and third?
Question answers or true false?
Ma'am, true false.
You are asking answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Water of the river Ganga. Question number 3. Water of the river Ganga is salty. क्या river का पानी salty होता है?
हाँ.
समुद्र का पानी होता है
Water is
सॉल्टी. ये फॉल्स है. गंगा का पानी सॉल्टी नहीं होता.
false. Now question number 2. Cities like Abu Dhabi and Dubai desalinate seawater. दुबई और अबू धाबी क्या पानी को, सी वाटर को डिसैलिनेट करते हैं? सी वाटर से सॉल्ट रिमूव करके उसे पीने के लिए यूज करते हैं? सो आंसर
मैम ट्रू।
यस, ट्रू। करेक्ट आंसर इज ट्रू। सी वाटर को डिसैलिनेट करेंगे मीन्स उसमें से सॉल्ट रिमूव करेंगे तभी तो वो फिट होगा ड्रिंकिंग के लिए। क्या सी वाटर खारा पानी कोई पी सकता है? नो। सो सिटीज लाइक अबू धाबी, वाई सिर्फ यहाँ पे सिटी लाइक अबू धाबी और दुबई ही क्यों मेंशन किया है? बिकॉज दिस सिटीज आर totally surrounded by sea water. Navya, stop doing this. So Abu Dhabi and Dubai, they are situated, they are surrounded by sea. So इसलिए उनके पास sea, only the source is sea water. So that's why they desalinate sea water and then they use that desalinated water for drinking. Yes, Vaibhav.
मैम मुझे फिफ्थ वाला जो ट्रू फॉल्स का मैम उसका आंसर नहीं समझ आ रहा।
Cold air can hold more water vapor than hot air. कोल्ड एयर में ऑलरेडी वाटर वेपर ज़्यादा अमाउंट में प्रेजेंट रहते हैं तभी एयर कोल्ड है, और हॉट एयर में वाटर वेपर कम है इसलिए वो हॉट है। तो क्वेश्चन में ये बोला है कि कोल्ड एयर कैन होल्ड मोर वाटर, क्या कोल्ड एयर ज़्यादा वाटर वेपर होल्ड करेगा? हाँ वैभव, ट्रू और
नो।
करेगा ना? सो आंसर इज फॉल्स। कोल्ड एयर कैन होल्ड मोर वाटर वेपर देन हॉट एयर, आंसर इज फॉल्स।
यस मैम।
और किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन में डाउट है? कुछ पूछना है किसी को? नहीं, नो डाउट, वेरी गुड। So now I will ask question answers. Question number 1, what causes flood? Raise your hand. What causes flood in river? What causes flood in river? Yes, काव्या, देख के नहीं बताना है आंसर।
Clean filtered water should be boiled for over 20 minutes to kill microbes and then filtered to purify it.
काव्या, have you listened the question? Question is what causes flood? आप आंसर किसका बता रहे हो? I'm asking what
Oh.
causes flood in river?
Ma'am, question number 5.
Why you are going on number? मैं क्वेश्चन जब बोल रही हूँ what causes flood in river? भव्या बताओ।
Sometimes due to heavy rainfall, the rivers overflow and the adjoining land areas get submerged. This causes flood.
Next question, how do we purify water? How do we purify water for drinking in our home? How do we purify water for drinking in our home? Raise your hand. How do we purify water for drinking in our home? Other than Bhavya, किसी को याद नहीं है? Yes, very good. हाँ समीक्षा बोलो।
Clean filtered water should be boiled for over 20 minutes to kill microbes and then filtered to purify it.
Very good समीक्षा। And I hope ये बिना देखे बोल रहे हो आप, है ना? Next question. How do rivers get polluted? How do rivers get polluted? Yes, Vaibhav.
Ma'am, when people wash clothes or bathe their cattle on the bank of a river,
हाँ.
second वाला, when people throw garbage, flower, dead animals, etc. into the river and sea.
Very good, Vaibhav. Very good. Very good. Next question. Less than 1 minute left. Okay.